Hello, I'm Rob Neff from the InstallShield team. I've seen software development change drastically over the years with cloud adoption, new methodologies, and new technologies. However, one thing remains constant. Installation is still the first impression your customers have with your product. Today, many organizations are transitioning from perpetual licenses to subscription and hybrid cloud models. Teams are more global, more agile, and more distributed than ever before. But we're also seeing companies still relying on legacy tools, things like Visual Basic 6, Microsoft Team Foundation Server, or very old InstallShield projects. Those older environments introduce real risks: developer turnover, technical debt, skill gaps, and compatibility issues that surface at the worst possible time and often too late, much less supporting Agile and Scrum teams. Digitally signed installers are no longer optional. Enterprise buyers simply won't run unsigned software. That first impression matters, and unsigned packages can result in lost revenue and damaged trust. We're helping teams modernize legacy projects by staying current with new technologies, adopting cloud license servers, and planning updates or migrations from older installers. As the industry standard, InstallShield has evolved over 4 decades, remaining a trusted solution for software companies, global enterprises, and government entities. As part of Revenera, we don't just support installation. We help you protect, license, and ultimately monetize your software more effectively. For more information, go to revenera.com.